This is the full install of the AI troubleshooting using Docker Compose. By the end, you'll have the app, a local Alama model, and Nihilus all running together, with alerts flowing into the AI automatically. You will need Docker and Docker Compose installed already. Stop the video here if you need to install these tools. Quick check that Docker and Docker Compose are installed. Nothing else is required up front. Llama and Nagios both run as containers, so you do not need to install them separately. Docker version is 29.6.1, build 8900F1D as of making this video, and Docker Compose version is version 5.3.0. Clone the repo and move into the project directory is what we just did on the screen. Before we bring it up, here's what actually in this stack. 4 services: AI Troubleshooter, the app itself on port 8000, Alama running the local LLM on port 11434, Alama init, a one-shot container that pulls the model we're using, Quen 2.5 colon 1.5b, the first time you start everything, and Nagios, the monitor server on port 8080. The important piece is this shared volume Nagios log. Nagios writes its log to it, and that same volume is mounted read-only in the app container. The app checks that log file once a minute for new lines, and when it finds new alerts, it processes them automatically. There's no manual setup to connect the two. It's wired together in the compose file already. One command brings up all 4 services. The run will take a few minutes longer than usual, as building the app image and pulling the Quen model into the Alama, which is close to 6 gigabytes. AI Troubleshooter Alama Nagios should show as running. The AI Troubleshooting dashboard is on port 8000. And empty for now, since Nagios hasn't generated any real alerts yet. Nagios' own web interface is on port 8080. Username is Nagios admin. Password is Nagios for default. Because the data folder is bind mount straight into the container, you can run the command to seed the generator right on the host. No need to execute into the container for it. Let's look at what this has added to our page. You now see that we have events listed from the demo seeder. To monitor your own hosts instead of the demo AI data, add standard Nagios hosts and service definitions to your Nagios conf D in the project folder. That directory is mounted directly into Nagios container. Restart the Nagios server to pick up any new configs. From there, it's hands off. As real alerts land in the Nagios log, the AI Troubleshooter container picks them up and on its next check within a minute and starts generating incidences and recommendations automatically. That's the full install. One Docker Compose Up command gives you a local model, Nagios wired straight into the AI, and nothing leaving your network. Source and docs are on GitHub, link in the description.